So, you want to play Fortnite on your Samsung phone, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Fortnite on any Samsung phone. Right now, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy A07, which is one of Samsung's budget phones moving into 2026. So if it works here, it'll work on your Samsung phone too. If this video helps you out, please tap the like button and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, first things first. If you open up the Google Play Store and search for Fortnite, you'll notice nothing comes up. That's because you can't install Fortnite through the Google Play Store. And that includes the Samsung Store too. Epic Games, the company that owns Fortnite, decided to remove it from other app stores. So now, the only way to download it is directly from the Epic Games website. Here's what you need to do. Open up your browser and go to Fortnite.com. That's the official Fortnite website. I'll leave a link in the video description so you can just click it and go straight there. Once you're on the website, look for the install button at the top right. Tap it and then select Download Now. If you see a pop-up that asks for permission, select Allow. Then choose Download again. That will download the installer file for the Epic Games Store. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Find the file you just downloaded and tap it. You'll see a message asking if you want to install. Tap Install. If another warning pops up, don't panic. Normally you shouldn't install apps outside the Play Store. But in this case, it's totally fine, because we downloaded it from Epic Games' official site. Think of the Epic Games app like the Google Play Store, except it's made just for games created by Epic Games. If your phone blocks the installation, here's what to do. Go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy. Now turn off Auto Blocker temporarily. This will let you install the Epic Games app. You can turn Auto Blocker back on later, once we're done. After installation, open the Epic Games Store app on your Samsung phone. Tap Get Started. You'll need to sign in with your Epic Games account. That's the same account you use for Fortnite. If you don't have one yet, select Create an Account. Once you sign in, make sure the account name looks correct. This ensures you get all your Fortnite stats, characters, and skins. Then, tap Yes to confirm. Now you're inside the Epic Games Store. At the top, tap Search and type in Fortnite. Select it, then tap Install. You'll see a button that says Install Fortnite. Tap it, and the download will begin. If a pop-up appears asking for permission, tap Settings, then allow the permission, and go back to Install. The app will now start installing Fortnite. Once installation is done, open Fortnite for the first time. It will start downloading additional files, and this part is important. The download is around 9 gigabytes, and the full app can be as large as 12 gigabytes in total. So make sure you have enough storage space on your phone before continuing. Depending on your internet speed, this could take up to an hour. Just be patient and let it finish. When the full download is complete, sign into your Epic Games account again. You'll be redirected back into Fortnite. Agree to the licensing agreement and it'll start logging you in. You might notice that a few extra files need to download before the game can start. That's completely normal. And that's it. Now, you can start playing Fortnite on your Samsung phone. Check the description below. I've got more tutorials showing you how to connect an Xbox or PlayStation controller to your Samsung phone so you can play Fortnite with a controller setup. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Samsung and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.